Hey kids, are you ready for the most exciting summer ever? Introducing the Summer Fun Activity Book packed with games, puzzles, coloring pages, and brain boosting fun for kids aged 5 to 10. Whether you're at home, traveling, or just chilling in the backyard, this book is perfect buddy for a screen-free summer. Learn, play, and explore with activities that boost creativity, sharpen thinking, and keep boredom away. Parents love it. Kids can't get enough of it. So grab your copy of the Summer Fun Activity Book today and make this vacation the best one yet.